Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy, and this is INFIRMUM. And you're probably wondering where Paz is. Paz is clearly not here. It's a COVID-related problem. Paz doesn't have COVID, and I don't have COVID. But my wife does have COVID, so Paz can't come here to record the video. She's fine, by the way. We're fully vaccinated, and she's had a couple of rough days of feeling quite fluey, but she's a lot better now. But obviously there's an isolation period, which obviously I fully support. So that out of the way, that's why there's only me. So this is INFIRMUM. Back in October, I think, beginning of October, we did an INFIRMUM song called Mask, and we really liked it. This is a doom death metal band from Finland, of course. Where else? So they've got an EP coming out called The Great Unknown. Now this is obviously the title track, The Great Unknown, and there's the cover of The Great Unknown. I've said that enough times. The bit I don't know is whether this is the cover of the song The Great Unknown or whether it's the EP cover as well. I can't find a cover for the EP separately. I went to Bandcamp, which is always a good place to get album covers for people like me. And basically there you go. The song's there, and that's the cover of the song. So I'm not sure it's the cover of the EP. I'm sure Timo Solonen, who wrote to me from INFIRMUM, will clear that up in the comments. Don't you, Timo? Good man. So yeah, we really liked this last time. This is it. Well, I haven't heard this one particularly, but they are a proper sort of death metal doomy band, you know, and really quality stuff. And you, in fact, while I'm on the subject of quality stuff, assuming this is good quality, you can buy this on Bandcamp for €1, which is the price of a Pepsi or something, you know. So it's practically free to buy, so you might as well buy it if you like it, obviously. So like I say, I genuinely have not heard this yet, so let me just cue it up on my screen, because as usual I haven't pressed all the right buttons. That comes as a surprise to nobody. Well, it's like the old days, isn't it, this format?
her soul will carry her flame turn cold. All fear is gone. God.
It's fantastic. The production on those drums was just amazing. The production's great across the board. Voices, all the instruments, the drums from the very first, 5 seconds of them, I was like, ooh. And if I ever went and played drums for another band, for a band again, I think I'd quite like to be a doomy death metal drummer, to be honest. I like that. I quite like the slow, the slow sort of emotive drumming, that dun, 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 kind of thing. This band, INFIRMUM, I mean, I don't know how popular they are, but they're not super popular. I'm willing to put my money on that. And they have every ingredient needed. There is no reason why INFIRMUM shouldn't be as popular as any other doomy death metal band. There's nothing missing there at all. I remember last time the song Mask that Paz and I did, we really liked it, and there was just a little niggle about some of the sort of transitions in the song, but that wasn't to detract from the song. This song is almost a perfect song in its genre. I realise the voices aren't going to appeal to everyone, and the whole doom aesthetic isn't going to appeal to everybody. But for it, within its genre, this song, The Great Unknown, I'd say was nigh on perfect. I wonder how you get permission to burn down a house for your video. How do you do that? Just as I like lots of forms you have to look at. We found a cabin in the woods and we'd like to set fire to it, please. Okay, you're going to have to fill in this form and this form and this form, and you're going to need to hire the fire brigade. And, I can't imagine how hard it is to get permission to burn down a house. That's an aside. It's just one of those things that occurs to you when you're watching something. But Timo, thank you very much for writing to me. This song of yours is awesome, and I shall be buying the EP when I can. So let me know when the EP comes out. Just put it in the comments below if you know when it's coming out. Just say it is coming out on, because I couldn't see anywhere where it was coming out. But what a real slice of proper doom death. I'm just really, I just think it's rather fantastic. And I'm just really kind of, I don't know. I just really enjoyed it. Is that the right word for doom death? Perhaps you're not supposed to enjoy it. Yes, it scourged my soul to the very depths. No, I just really enjoyed it. Because it's so well done. It's not necessarily the subject or anything like that. It's just the quality of that emoted all of that sort of feelings of November's Doom and bands like that who I love. So, as I said, INFIRMUM have all of the ingredients required. They're already there. They just need you folks out there to buy a ton of their albums so that they can, just keep going. There's no reason why these wouldn't be as popular or as big as anybody else. That was really, really good. I shall stop talking now. I'm sure the guys at INFIRMUM would like me to carry on, but I'm just going to go around in circles. So there you go, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed that, because that's just fab. Good job. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.